Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Thought I met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie. I didn't care for the hype, yeah. But when I saw you tonight. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
Hey loves, it is your girl Lovely Angel Lady L to the A to the L. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today I have another faux loc headband wig for y'all. This one is like an updo, y'all, and guess what, sis only cost me $19.99. okay, oh she did not break the bank. So if you want the tea, sit right there in your seat, don't you go nowhere. All right y'all, so let's talk about sis. So let me show you on my phone. So this is sis, y'all see, on Amazon. I have my phone connected to a tripod, y'all. Y'all know I have like a million tripods. I have tripods for the camera, tripods for my phone, because I'm always, you know, doing photos and stuff. So anyway, she's supposed to be 10 inches as per here, $19.99, but remember, prices are always subject to change. So these are faux locs, and I love the size of the loc, and they have like a kind of like a crinkle to them, so I like that they're not perfectly straight. Gives us some style. I think I got it in like one day. You know, we have a facility not far from where I am, so she's great though, because it's still hot, y'all. We still been in the triple digits in Vegas, so I just wanted another something that's really straightforward, easy, and I won't be burning up hot in. So I wanted to just, you know, give her a shot for y'all. Yeah, another view of her, but I will post up so y'all can see, but I didn't mean to close it. I will post up though, I will post up so y'all can see the deets on sis, but always check the description box for the purchase link if y'all are interested in buying sis. Okay, yeah, so she's very affordable. She won't break the bank if you are trying to save your coins. You heard me? Because money don't grow on trees, and we still in the middle of a pandemic. So affordable is good. Affordable is good. So she is another affordable cutie for you babies. I really like sis. Y'all can, I have on some hoop earrings today from Shein. Can't really see them because the hair is kind of covering them up. But let me show y'all. So front view to the right, center again, left view, and to the back. The only thing I found a little odd, she has some like little short pieces up in here, but I can see that they put those in there just to kind of camo, you know how they install the locks or whatever. So you can't really notice those. Somebody have to be like all up in your hair digging in it to notice. So it's only really it's noticeable like when you're going to put the wig on, but like as you can see now that I have her on, she's fine. But it's like some little short pieces, almost like on a pixie cut, like this short. So just FYI, so y'all don't be like, LAL, you ain't tell us that, girl. Yes, your girl did. Yes, she did. Yeah, baby. But sugars, I'm not gonna keep y'all. Ain't no reason really to keep y'all all day. I'm gonna post pics at the end, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that.
Show me the car when you turn me on, the way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling, cause you love to have them all crying. calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like con money. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know we can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like it's sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya, show me the color where you turn me on. The way you telling me you want me down.
Show me how you jigger.
Off. Why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it off? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time.
Like I stated, she came from Amazon. She was under $20. We like that. You heard? We like that. So yeah, y'all, I think density wise she's just fine. Cap wise, you know the cap is generous. Like, yeah, she's got room in there. I got a little bit under average size head, but she's got room. Most of the headband wigs, you don't have to worry about the cap being small, unless you come across, you know, one that wasn't made too good. But I rarely have that issue with the headband wigs. So yeah, y'all let me know if y'all have any questions down below. This is the headband that comes with her. So even though the headband is a little shimmery, depending on what you have, you could dress her down. I have on a big old oversized, and yes, I have huge tatas. These are double D's in the camera. These are double D's all up in this, in the lens, okay? Taking up all the space. But yeah, this XOXO heart, oversized shirt I got from Shein. This oversized XOXO heart shirt I got from Shein, along with I have on some like little biker shorts, and they're lavender like this. You heard me? So yeah, that's what it do, y'all. That's pretty much it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the fam if you have not made it official. It's free 99 sugars, won't cost you anything. And please share, because what, your girl loves y'all so much, and sharing is caring. Why not? You know, why? You know, we all want to grow together, and we are just one big happy family up over here. So your girl LA, I loves you so much. Y'all please check out the online store that I have. My online store is lovelyangelsshop.com. I'm also working on an Etsy store. I got to get everything uploaded. And then this right here is glazed donut. My gloss on my lips is glazed donut. And these lashes are cocoa. These are new. We just dropped these. These are faux minks for all of y'all animal lovers out there that don't like to rock the real 3D minks. These are gorgeous, dramatic, but they don't look like super plasticky. They look really, really cute, and they're not heavy. But I really love the drama that Coco has, okay? She is giving us drama. She is giving us rare. She is giving us no, I'm just playing. But this is Coco. Y'all like? Anywho, how y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all get out of here. Make sure you stay tuned for the pics. And your girl is gonna catch you later. Bye, y'all.
Thought I met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie.